Jiu-Jitsu gi is the official Jiu-Jitsu uniform needed to be worn during training. This type of uniform comprises of 3 pieces: a jacket, a pair of drawstring pants that are normally padded on the knees, and a belt. The Jiu-Jitsu gi is made out of wheat cotton materials that is able to endure the rigors of Jiu-Jitsu training without tearing. One must treat his Jiu-Jitsu gi like an armor, clean and free from any blemishes. Your uniform can be of use both as an offensive and defensive tool. It also will help ensure tactical practice of Jiu-Jitsu. To beginners, the Jiu-Jitsu gi will act as a training wheel. Once you develop advanced skills, you will learn to perform techniques both with and without your uniform. The fact is, removing your kimono will not be advantageous, particularly for newbies, as this will remove many physical advantages, but eventually, you will learn to use a variety of techniques to compensate the lack of a uniform. Wearing your uniform not only helps add a touch of sophistication to your game, it will also lead you to become a better fighter. 1. Wearing a Jiu-Jitsu gi to a grappling match means more possibilities to win the game. In a nutshell, your kimono will help you enhance your performance and eventually beat your opponent. 2. A bigger opponent donning a kimono takes off the physical attributes, which levels the game. Without the kimono, the bigger opponent needs to rely on brute strength alone, as speed is compromised. You can use this to your advantage, as smaller opponents are generally faster. Once you use a Jiu-Jitsu gi when facing bigger opponents, you will learn to develop your own skills, and this will improve your performance. 3. Unlike ordinary shirts or sweatpants, the Jiu-Jitsu gi will not tear under rigorous training. The material used in Jiu-Jitsu gi is specifically designed to endure intense physical activities. If you are training on colder places, it can protect you from cold climates as well. To learn more martial arts basics, visit our website at http://www.gi-kimono.com/category/gi-jutsu/.